So how much can IT spend continue to grow? And this has been a question that many are asking, and that's why, or one of the many reasons why, Nvidia earnings last week were so key and so important. Because as goes Nvidia, to many, as goes the tech spend and AI growth. And interesting chart that we have, we can put it up regarding Nvidia. We can see that revenue growth has continued to grow, which are your lime green bars there. And you can see net income, with the exception of last quarter, it kind of dipped a little bit, has continued to grow, but the revenue growth. So this is the pace of growth for the revenue for Nvidia. You can see that it is pretty much starting to come down, and come down very quickly since about the end of 2024. So that tells us, I guess it's only normal, right? It's only normal that a company like Nvidia can't continue to grow at its current pace, especially being a $4.5 trillion company. How are they going to keep up their growth rates? Well, a lot of people are saying, well, maybe that's because we've peaked. We've seen the peak in AI spend and tech spend. Some people are saying we're in the third inning of a 9-inning baseball game, and some are saying maybe we've seen peak spending. Maybe businesses, maybe they're spending a lot, but it's really not materializing in efficiency for their business, or putting more money to the bottom line, bringing businesses more money to the bottom line. So time will tell. We're going to see, obviously, Broadcom, another big chip name in the space, report earnings tomorrow night, and we'll see what they say. We have a chart on tech spend over the last, I guess, few years. Look how much the biggest four companies, or some of the biggest companies in the world, have spent in the past and are spending now. And look at Meta, 72 billion, Alphabet, 85 billion, Microsoft, 88 billion, and last but definitely not least, Amazon, $108 billion over 2025 in tech spend and IA spending. So, AI spending. It is unbelievable. The spending just continues to happen. The question is, how long will this continue for? And I guess it just depends on who you ask. You ask people in the tech industry, they'll say it's just the beginning. You ask many others that just maybe focus on the numbers, and they say, well, maybe we're hitting a bit of a peak. So time will tell. A number, as I said, that to watch for tomorrow night will go a long way to give us more information on AI and tech spend. And we've already received numbers from Nvidia. So let's keep an eye on Broadcom and see what they have to say.